My experience with security camera warehouse has been top-notch.
SCW staff has been terrific. They're most helpful, most cordial.
The process of working with SCW has been fabulous.
Anytime we had a question with the sales staff, they were immediately on it.
Cameras were very easy to install, very user-friendly, and just overall a great addition to our business.
The police made a comment. They were amazed at the quality of the imaging as far as the distance was and the quality and ease of operation of the software.
They weren't trying to sell us just the biggest, fanciest thing they had. They really went through and said, okay, well, this is what this particular camera offers and this is why it would be good in this spot.
Between the top-notch technology and their top-notch people, they make you feel very, very comfortable.
I've been so pleased with it, and actually my neighbors across the street are pleased with it because now their theft is stopped.
Building another 25,000 square foot building, and it's a no-brainer that the security camera warehouse cameras will be in there, absolutely.
Can't say enough for the folks at SCW.